Hi everyone, this is Ryan in the new Simperman Learning Commons studio. I'm making this video to orient you to some of the user interface changes that we have made to Moodle this year. First of all, I want to say that we've made these changes in the interest of security, speed, and usability. We think once you get used to some of the new locations of the buttons, you'll see that they cut down on the amount of time you spend clicking around Moodle, and that's our main goal with these upgrades. So to begin with, you'll notice that we've simplified Moodle a little bit. There's a little bit less going on. We're trying to make it easier to get to the learning content without having to navigate through several different screens. First of all, you'll notice that the administration box over on the left-hand side is completely gone. That's been replaced with this navigation drawer. If you click on this button up here in the top left-hand side, it'll show you a list of some of the more relevant things that you're looking for in the course. But really, if you're trying to navigate around your courses, the thing that you want to know about is the Enrolled Courses drop-down up here at the top. This will show your currently visible courses, and it's going to stay there no matter where you are in Moodle. So if you need to move from one course to another quickly, that Enrolled Courses drop-down is the thing that you're looking for. Now let's take a look inside of a course. So I have a demo course that's set up here, much like your 2019 fall courses are set up. So when I open those up, the first thing that most teachers I think are going to notice is that there is no Turn Editing On button right here. That's intentional, and you're going to see why in just a minute. We've moved the Turn Editing On button up here next to that Enrolled Courses drop-down. So again, if you're in a course and you need to navigate to another one, I would encourage you to make use of that drop-down. But have a look at Turn Editing On. It's up there in that corner, and when I turn editing on, you're going to notice that everything's pretty much the same. You still see the multi-directional arrows over there. You still have the edit button right here for your courses, the edit button here for your activities, and the edit activity or resource button right there, just as it was before. The major improvement with the Turn Editing On button, however, is that if I scroll down to the bottom of a course and I turn editing on or off, it's going to remember that I was at this week right here. I'm sure you remember before that you had to turn editing on by scrolling all the way back up to the top of the page and lose your place in the course. Now, if you're in a course and you need to turn editing on, you can click the button and it's going to remember right where you were. It doesn't take you all the way back up to the top of the page. We think this is going to save people literally hours of time over the course of the year, so I hope that it works out well for you. Also, I want to point out we've got a button right here that is navigate back up to the top of the course very quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you'll see it takes us right up to the top of the course. That should save us some time scrolling up and down the page when we need to just get back up to the top. The other thing that sticks with you as you scroll down through the course is the course management button. So if you're looking for course administration, you had that box over there on the side before for course administration. Everything in course administration is moved into this course management link up here. So when I click on that, it's going to bring up a screen that shows me all the things that I would expect to find in course administration. Over here we have the user links, including gradebook, participants, groups, all of those things that you would expect to find in the users drop-down in the admin box. And then also edit your course settings, gradebook setup, course completion settings, those sorts of things that you're looking for in the course administration box are now going to show up in this pop-up menu. So for example, if I go into gradebook, it's going to take me right into the gradebook, and I don't have any information in here, but if I did, I would see my students listed here as I expect. Also, a lot of us have been using the administration block to navigate through gradebook. Again, that is gone now. But you'll find all of the same things that you're looking for in this drop-down menu at the top of the gradebook. The other thing that you'll find is that if you want to navigate to grades over here, you can do that using the drawer. But again, I would highly encourage you not to use the drawer, just use the drop-down at the top of the gradebook to move between different parts of the gradebook. For example, gradebook setup and those sorts of things. So the breadcrumb trail is still here. It looks a little bit different, but it's the same idea. If you need to navigate back to the front page of your course, you could do that here. Or you could also catch it from the drop-down of enrolled courses up here at the top of the page. And again, when I need to turn editing off, it's just that same button. Editing goes off, and I'm viewing it without editing on again. So those are the major user interface changes. I am going to create a few more instructive videos about particular features of this upgrade, But for now, I wanted to go ahead and turn on our new theme and let everyone get used to it in advance of the school year. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me directly. You know my email and where to find me, and I'll be happy to help you out. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and as always, happy Moodling.